Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Lubna Ayub Sahiba, Director General, National Institute of Management, Karachi. Mr. Abdul Khalik Sheikh, Chief Instructor, Senior Management Course. Chief Instructors of the Mid-Career Management Courses. Faculty members. The Administration of National Institute of Management, the officers and officials. And most of all, the 38 graduating participants. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's a pleasure to be here. I've been here before several times, but it's been after a long gap that I've come here today. And I'm glad to be here once again to see you pass out. I recognize a lot of faces in the from amongst the participants. Some of you have worked very closely with me, and almost all in the province of Sindh have worked with me because I've been working here for a very long time. I congratulate all of you for completing this important course, which is a stepping stone towards the next higher grade. It's a requirement, but I hope that you've not taken it as a requirement, but you've taken this course as a source of learning something new, teaching each other's, learning from the faculty and learning from each other. The participant, the cohort of the participants I see, and I look at the names and where all of you have come from. So you represent literally all of Pakistan, you represent all of the services, provincial services, the police service, IRS, and I'm most happy to see participants from Balochistan, a few from Punjab. I did not see anybody from KPK, perhaps they go to the institutes in Peshawar